To update the Vrbo app, start by opening the App Store on your device, either the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the App Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Vrbo to find the app. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app icon. Tap on this button to begin the update process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or facial recognition to authenticate. The update. If you do not see the update button, you can also check for updates in the App Store settings. For iOS devices, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down to the Pending Updates section. For Android devices, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Then select My Apps and Games. Alternatively, you can also enable automatic updates for the Vrbo app. For iOS devices, go to the Settings app, then tap on the App Store, and toggle on the Automatic Downloads switch. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store, tap on the menu icon, then select My Apps and Games, and toggle on the Auto Update Apps switch. It is a good practice to regularly update the Vrbo app to ensure you have access to the latest features and security patches. Updating the app can also help resolve any issues you may be experiencing with the app. By following these steps, you can easily update the Vrbo app and start using it to find and book your next vacation rental.